Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Mortal Kombat 11 for laptop or PC. So, first of all, we want to open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open in front of you, just go to steam.com. Once you're here, you can see this is a platform from which we can easily download games. First of all, you should make your account on Steam. Once you're logged in, on the left side, you can see there is an install button. We can easily download Steam after clicking this button. So, first, go to the search bar of Steam and type Mortal Kombat 11. After typing, Mortal Kombat 11 will be open in front of you. You can see this is Mortal Kombat 11, and we can easily download it. So, let's scroll down. Right here, after scrolling down, you will see a button Add to Cart. Click on that button. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. When it's open, just scroll down. Right here, you can see this is Mortal Kombat 11, and the price of that game is also written here, $4.99. For downloading this game, there are two options available right here. The first one is Purchase for myself, and the other one is Purchase as a gift. I will click on Purchase for myself because I want to play it. So, click on Purchase for myself. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you in a few seconds. Here, you can see the format of payment methods. If you click, there are a lot of options for paying for Mortal Kombat 11, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB. If I click on Visa, the payment method will be different for you. Once it's open, here you can see the requirements for Visa, card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. If I click on that arrow again and click on PayPal, after clicking that, a kind of format will open in front of you for making a payment from PayPal. Just hit the Continue button. After clicking that, a kind of format will be open in front of you. After clicking, just click on the PayPal button. After clicking that, a kind of format may open in front of you, a small format. In this format, the requirement for PayPal is email or phone number, then password, and your PayPal will be attached to your Steam. And then the game will be installed, and you can play it after installation. First, we want to go to the app of Steam. So, click on Steam, and Steam will be open in front of you where you can see this is the app of steam.com. If I go to the upper left corner of your PC's name or click on Library, after clicking that, a kind of format will be opened from after downloading. Your game will be shown right here, and you can easily play your game. And you can install more games for playing. That's the way to install and download Mortal Kombat 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.